Okay, so KPI review, the nice thing about the KPI review is I'm not even doing anything, to be honest with you. All I do is I go to Amy's reports every month that she does in Ops Summary, or yeah, I think it's called Ops Summary. So we're going to go to SharePoint. And we're going to go to the Operations tab. And this is basically where we pull our KPI data from.
Yep.
I'll go to Ops Minutes.
Yep.
I'll go to 2019. 2019 KPIs. KPI data. Feels like ours is like the deepest in the rabbit hole. And then it's basically right here. So Epic Training KPI is here. The changes is really what this is talking about. So let's go back just to confirm here. So timesheet errors, the number of, like basically what we've had the most errors in. So let's look at that. So suspended training changes.
Where is this? Oh, changes?
And let's look at April. And you have the April error report, which is basically what that page is addressing. Errors by site or errors by code. I'm going to look at the errors by code. That's fine. And basically it's this little report over here.
Errors by code, okay. How? Who's that?
So it looks like that's TMMI Indiana. The thing is, and I need to probably talk to Amy about this, but the way she's putting this out, it doesn't give you exact breakdown. Like I honestly don't know where the actual data is that she's pulling from. Scan versus manual, but then you have the error code, but I don't see the data itself, right? Come on. Oh, we're on Excel Online, so let me open this. Open in Excel.
Errors by error code, is that what you have, right?
Yeah, because I want to know what error code is the biggest hitter.
Change bill.
Billable is probably, yeah.
Blue one.
Is probably the biggest one. Alright, it's taking a minute to open on my end.
Next one.
Okay, error by codes. This guy right here. Yep. A to Z. My thing is, where is this data coming from?
Yeah,
like, where is the
you
data?
get that?
Every month I do remember how to do it, but then I forget until the next month.
Yeah.
I spent a couple of minutes just trying to remember where it all came from. Come on. No?
But where do you pull that data from?
Select data. Well, it's pulling it from a pivot table. The question is, where is that table?
Is she hidden it, maybe?
Could be.
There's three things in the...
Unhide. There we go.
Is that the edit codes?
These are the edit codes. So by the way, I just right-clicked on the tabs down here.
Yep.
And I went to unhide.
Yep.
And basically I figured edit codes was it. And then let's do this. So I'm going to run a pivot table on this. Same thing. And I want to see account. And what did she use for that? What's the name of it? Edit code. All right. Oops, wrong place. There we go. Same thing. I mean, clearly I can tell that one is it, but if I need to really make it pop, this is my first hitter, then the rate code is the second hitter. And that's basically what I would bring into my Word document. So I would, when I come over here, the number one timesheet error for last month was rate code, as usual. Out of
Not as high as that one, though.
not as high as that. Well, that's, is that for the whole month? Did she basically, is she done? Yeah, it is. So April was pretty good, actually. Well, actually, no, because here's the thing. So let's go back into this file. So change billable, we changed it 205 times. We had a total of 588 changes. So it is still an improvement actually from last month, right? Because last month we did 783 changes. So that's an improvement. But the rate code itself, 205 to 211, I guess that is somewhat of improvement.
Go back, no. Change rate code's 133.
Oh, true. Yeah. No, I was thinking about this versus this.
Oh. Change billable. What